Oh, hey Brandon.
Hey Dot, how are you today?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Good.
Well, today we decided that we'd start doing some videos to show you guys what's going to be new in the store and new online.
Yeah. And so I guess we're going to start right here with the new panel here. As you can see, it's a little bit of Leonardo da Vinci.
It's the Last Supper, which is actually an incredible. They did such a good job on this panel. It really does look like the actual, the actual thing. Only the real thing is huge.
Yeah, the print is very, very nice, and it prints all the way through. The colors are very true.
Colors are perfect. Yep.
And you know, they're doing such a great job with these new digital prints.
It's incredible.
Like
it really is
so great.
Well, and then underneath the Last Supper is the girl herself, Mona Lisa. And this guy is also, they did an incredible job on this. It's beautiful.
Yeah, we can't see your Mona Lisa smile
I
underneath your mask,
I know,
but,
right?
You know, it's
But
such a
not as
great panel.
beautiful as her. And then with the panels, there also are some component fabrics. They have his writing from his journals, and then some beautiful, wonderful colors that they picked up from the paintings, and also more his drawings and his writings from his journals. So it's a really nice group, and it's from Robert Kaufman.
It's really good. Very nice.
Then moving on, we have recently acquired over 100 styles from Free Spirit.
A whole lot of Free Spirit.
A whole lot of Free Spirit that's going to be also in the store and online. And just to give you a few examples, we have some stuff from Anna Marie Horner and the conservatory that she does. And this is, I'm going to butcher her name. I love her work. This happens to be her line Land Art. It's Odile, how do you say that?
Odile Baul.
Yeah,
I think.
She's an
We tried.
She's an incredibly talented designer. I love her stuff. And then of course there's Kate. And then just as another example, this is this other gal who I love her work, Monica Forsberg, and she works with Anna Marie in the conservatory.
Yeah, some really beautiful patchwork, and I really
it's
like
gorgeous.
these.
I know, it's
very
beautiful.
artsy. So if you like those kind of freehand style fabrics, that's definitely a good one to go with.
And a lot of color, which is great. And then switching gears to juvenile stuff, we're big fans, both online and in the store, of Camelot. And you guys haven't had any Camelot in the store, have you?
No, we just got what we have here, and just a little bit more of these in various different colors. And it's such a beautiful line, and one of the things I like the most about Camelot is when we have these fabrics that are of known IPs like Minnie Mouse here, that this fabric's actually very soft. It's quilt shop quality, it's not scratchy, it's not tough.
Exactly.
It's gonna be a very good quality you could put with any fabric that you have at home.
Right, exactly. And so there's quite a few SKUs on the Mini, I'm not sure, but it's a really nice little group. And then they just came out with the Muppets, so we've got Miss Piggy.
We've got Kermit, and we have my favorite, Animal.
Is that your favorite?
Yeah, Animal and Gonzo are probably my two favorite
That's pretty
Muppets.
funny. Yeah, you know, I love Kermit. I hate to say this, don't be offending anybody, but she's never been my fan. Maybe because I sort of look like her.
She kind of has a little attitude.
Yeah,
there.
that's
so
exactly
she's
right.
a little hard to deal with, but she has some great fabric.
Yeah, she does. Okay, and then we bought more of this. This is the child from Baby Yoda from Mandalorian, which has been incredibly popular.
Yeah, very, very popular. We can't hang on to this stuff, but the child is very, very popular fabric, and one of my favorites also.
Because Brandon's kind of like Yoda.
Yeah. And I love Star Wars.
Yes, and so do I. And so this is also in the shop. So then moving on to our pre-cuts and our packs, we have a new thing that we introduced. How long have we had the Yard Trio? Like a month?
Maybe a few weeks. Yeah, not long at all.
Long. And this was cool. This was inspired by Donna Robertson, who owns the Fabric Cafe. She's a really super nice lady. She lives in Texas. And so she has written 6 books. I think there's 6. And there's 8 quilts in each book, which is amazing.
And when you go through and you see the books, or if you come in and see us in the store, you can just turn over the book and see the different patterns that you'll be able to find inside there as well.
Right, and you guys have them in the store as well.
Yes, we do.
So the whole thing is, what we decided to do is just curate 3 different yard cuts for you guys. So this is the Fabric Trio, and this one here, I'm going to open it up. Poor Karen, she's got to put it back together here. How do you put these things?
Oh, they're in there nice
They're-
and secure.
yep,
You're
so-
not gonna have any issues with these guys spilling out.
So this is basically, you've got your St. Patty's Day one. So you've got little gnomes, which I'll open the fabric.
Little gnomey leprechauns,
Right,
here.
which are really cute. This is Timeless Treasures.
And they're full with the shamrocks there as well on their hats.
So can you see that, Jonna?
Yes.
Okay,
Very
cool.
beautiful fabric.
And then we put it with some swizzle stick that was from Andover, and another component of the shamrocks from Timeless.
Absolutely. So these 3-yard cut bundles or yard trio
Yep.
bundles, these are all coordinated for you, so you don't have to do any coordination or matching and making sure the colors
Right.
are there. It's already done for you.
Right, and it's really fun, and we love the packaging. So we also have some online. These are just going to go on. This is a baseball one, which is kind of timely,
Yeah.
and then a little mermaid one. It's called Mermaid Stand, which is cute.
Yeah, which makes a really great juvenile. And I
Yeah,
love
look-
this idea of pairing the yard trio packs with the 3-yard quilt books because you have everything you need to do the project.
Right, right.
So
and it's
this
actually
is a
super
really
fun to do.
Yeah,
They're a
yeah.
blast. And Jonna even did one. So it was cute. Good job, Jonna. Fran, you can do them too. All right, moving
absolutely.
on to some other stuff. We have Alice packs that are brand new. This one we did, you guys saw it on social media. We had a contest to name the pack. So I think it was Karen that won, and it's called To Know Me, which is so cute, is to love me. So it's basically gnomes and, springtime stuff, which we're all getting ready for that.
And everybody really loves the gnomes right
Yeah.
now.
Oh,
It's such a very popular fabric for everybody.
It is the hottest thing, and a lot of the manufacturers have them for every season going forward. So this
Yeah.
isn't going away anytime soon. So that one's extremely cute. And then this is new, thinking forward to summer and spring, sandpiper. So there's anchors and shells and birds. I don't know if you want me to open this up or you think that's okay.
Open up the Ruby Star.
Ruby
Oh.
Star. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, and then one of my favorite, I love these girls, they're super talented, is the Ruby Star Society, and they're with Moda, and they just do phenomenal work. And this is called Florida Volume 1, is that
Yeah,
correct?
volume 1.
Volume 1. This is the most beautiful fabric, and I believe this is it Sarah Watts?
I think so.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Sarah Watts. And it just looks like Florida. It's insane.
Yeah.
Look at this. And this kills me. The manatees.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
I
my
love
God. And
these.
the colors are just, look at that. Can you get that, Jonna? It's so cute.
It
and
just
then
screams Florida at you.
the other thing that is so cool is she's got little hints of gold, which
Very sweet.
is super nice. So that's just, and she's got her little cranes. I don't know if I think that's it. Yeah, that is a crane. They sit on golf courses and open their wings. It's pretty funny.
And we have here, we actually have those wings
Yep,
that you
they're
talked about
very
there.
good,
So
yeah.
the wings are spread out there over that fabric, and it's coordinated so well. I love the way Dot puts these together.
Well, this is her because I basically didn't add one thing except
Oh, yeah?
for Ruby Star Society, which was, I just love this line. It's gorgeous.
Just like those yard trios, you don't have to coordinate because
Yep.
it's already done for you, and it's going to look great no matter what you do or how you coordinate
Exactly.
it together.
You can't lose. And then this is a new Alice project. It was designed by Sue, who does the pineapple peach, you guys. It's the project pouch, which is really good. And Bran, we do sell, what is this, the latex?
Yeah, so we have this
Clear vinyl.
Yeah. So we have the clear vinyl. It's available online now. As you can see on this project, right here at the front, you've got a clear open pouch here that you can store some of your notions or maybe your pattern or scissors. But this is great for you to be able to carry your projects around, whether you're gonna go on a short road trip or something like that, or head out to a shop, or maybe even spend some time with someone in your pod who's also doing a
Right,
little bit of
right.
sewing and things together. You can take a small project with you to work on.
Which is great.
Yeah.
And everything will be in its place. So
Yeah,
it
absolutely.
was a great project by Sue.
It really is, and it's not too hard
No.
to do either. Good for confident beginners.
That's right. Okay, awesome. So then we have a new Bella, and we're there's new stuff coming down the road all the time. But this is a new Bella, which people are always asking for. Again, Karen does such a good job. Here,
Yeah, I know a lot of people usually ask a lot for
man stuff.
yeah, more masculine fabrics and things that they can use for like their significant others or maybe for a gift. And this is actually one of my favorite. Karen did a really good job on this one.
These things are not going to fall apart.
But
you
we'll
guys.
get it open for you so you can see it a little bit better there. And I know I said that those other fabrics were some of my favorites, but this is probably one of my favorite collections of the ones that we have here on the table.
Let's open up the bonus quarters. So, okay, so you guys know with a Bella you get a half a jelly roll, and then you get a 2.5-inch square, and there's 5 fabrics that are 4 times, right?
Yeah.
I don't even remember what I do.
And so then you have we have these great cards. So if you know anyone that likes to play a little bit of spades or maybe some Texas
Poker.
Hold'em or
Pinochle.
yeah, you know,
Pinochle,
pinochle.
yeah, I used to
you know,
love that.
Little Egyptian rat screw, something
Oh, I
like
never
that.
had that.
There's some really great fun card games you can play. But I love this fabric. I think that this one would be great for masks as well if you're looking to make a project like that.
And we do have some of this online as well. by
Yeah, and you can get
yardage.
it by the yard as well. Yeah. So, and I love these fabrics because they just look together. I love like wood grain
Yep,
and things
it's
like that.
really nice.
Especially with the darker colors. And this is my absolute favorite right here.
Because Brandon is a famous game person.
Well, I don't know about famous.
Yeah, you are.
But
Come on.
I do like to do a little bit of gaming online and things. There's a couple people might know who I am.
Yes,
but
yes, they do.
Hello to all of you if you do. But yeah, I love this one because it's got the controllers and your little TV remotes too. So if you have anybody in your life that, you know,
He's a gamer.
likes to play games or just, you know, hang out and relax and
That's
stuff like that with some
exactly right.
games. It's a really great fabric. And that's one I want to make a mask out of actually.
No, that
myself.
would be super
So,
cute.
and that's also available
Yeah.
online. And we got it coordinated with a couple more fabrics here. We've got some great reds to tie in your controllers, as well as some of our verbiage. And this is the rules fabric for the man cave.
Right.
So this fabric here just has a whole bunch of different rules, like no working, welcome to the man cave, things like that. A lot of really cute little sayings.
Dogs
for you.
allowed on furniture. I
Yeah,
like
exactly.
That. That's,
That's a
all
good
over my
one.
house.
Oh yeah,
I love that.
and mine as well, and my clothes.
I
so,
know, me too.
You know.
Me too. So, and the other thing, you guys, is this is Wyndham fabric, and it's also, I think the big man cave is made out of a grace. So if you wanted a bigger selection, there's 10 fabrics in grace. Okay, so there's another one. All right.
And then we've got some nice bundles coming up.
Yeah, this is an anthology bundle, and we have what we're doing now is we have 6 6-piece BQ bundles, bonus quarter bundles. 8-piece are coming. I don't know if we have any yet. I think we do. We just don't have a pattern made. And then we have our 10 and our 12. So at least you have a variety in how many you get. So these are beautiful fabrics, and this is called Sunbeam, and it's anthology. And I did mix one Allison in there because I felt like we needed some purple. So that's actually from her stitched line. But this is so pretty. It is just gorgeous. And I think, is there a bag pattern with the 6s? I think.
I know we have a bag pattern with our fat 8s, but I'm not sure if we have one with
I
the
don't
bundles.
know. We haven't done a trend show for so long. We
Oh,
can't
man.
remember what we've got. It's crazy.
So many patterns, but
So
there's a
many
lot of
patterns.
really good ones.
Yeah.
And either way, you can always make a great bag with these bonus quarter bundles because like these, our Alice packs are made with the bonus
Right,
quarter bundles.
exactly.
So you could always pair it with one of our Alice
That's
patterns
true.
too, like the hobo bag,
Right, which is
a
fantastic.
long
really
time
popular.
staple, very popular.
Well, it goes back to the beginning of time.
Oh yeah.
And then this guy is, I can't remember, Moody Bloom. This is a Moda fabric panel, and it's beautiful, very watercolory, digital, super nice. And I think that's a 10, so you could make a cool quilt or whatever with that.
And I always like these watercolor fabrics. They
too.
always look really nice. So with bag projects, no matter what project
Yeah.
you're doing, I think that these make great exterior fabrics for your bags as well.
Well, it's nice when they're not so hard edged because they kind of blend really well in a quilt as
Yeah,
well. So it's
yeah,
nice.
absolutely.
So the couple other things, you guys, is oh, I forgot about this one. Sorry. Oh, sorry, Cora.
And we have the coral teal here. And this is another really great one. And this one's Wyndham fabric.
Yep.
Yeah. So this one's from Wyndham. And I'll open this one up as well. It's a little bit smaller, so we can go through some of these. But you got some really great spring colors here and everything for the season coming up. I know it's a little chilly now,
It's a
but
little
you know,
chilly, but everybody's looking forward to like the warmer days. And this, I love this one because it's
Yeah.
like, I don't know if it's oranges or kumquats or whatever, but it's
peaches
or
or
something.
I don't
It's
know,
just
but
super cute.
yeah, it's really pretty. And you know, it's never too early to start your project for an upcoming season.
Yep.
So it's a good time to look at your spring
Right.
fabrics, your Easter fabrics, and things like that to get started.
And this was a something from Andover that I thought we needed a little bit of a diagonal in there, and that just worked out beautifully. So it's a real fresh. I think it's really fresh. And
It's perfect
nice.
for spring.
I think
love
it's
it.
perfect. So, so the other couple things, you guys, is in the store. Oh, I already talked about the quilt back, didn't I?
Yeah, well, not yet, but we do have some quilt backs in the store, and we did add in that some continuous yardage
Yep.
will be in the store now. So if you come and visit us at the Pineapple Fabrics Keepsake Quilting factory outlet, you'll see that you have some continuous yardage that you can get in 108-inch wide quilt bags.
Right. And I think what we're doing in the store, because the tearing aspect of it, I hear it's like 50-50, and you have to be really good at tearing. So I think that we're going to just cut it in the store. So make sure you get enough for your project.
Yes. So we'll be doing some cutting of those 108-inch rather than the tear. So when you come in, if you want to do a bigger quilt, say like a king size,
you're going to need
and
probably,
you will need 3 yards for that. You're going to want to get a little bit more than that.
3.5.
Yeah, just to make sure that you have enough fabric to completely complete the back of that.
And they're like, you can always ask Sue or Angie or
anyone in an apron.
Paula, anybody in an apron, they'll know. And then the other thing, you guys, is we recently have, how many billboards do we have out there?
I think we have 4 billboards right now.
So be on the lookout. I know there's one on 85.
Yeah, there's one on 85. There's one on 40.
Okay.
And then actually, I think there might be 2 on 85.
Okay, because I haven't seen all of them.
Yeah, but one's near Groomtown and one's a little bit closer, like on your way to Charlotte.
Okay, cool. And so if you see the billboard when you come into the store, tell somebody that you saw the billboard, because it's very cool. So I guess that's it for now, right?
Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay.
A lot of new things coming to you guys, and we're really excited to share those with you.
Yeah, and hopefully, not hopefully, we'll be back probably next week with more new stuff.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
You guys have a great weekend, and over and out.
Enjoy. Be safe.
Yeah, definitely.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.